The spacer is a great element that you can use to add space vertically within elements on your page. As an example, you can see that this button and this text is just too close to each other, and we need to give a little bit space between them to give separation and structure to our page. For this, we're going to use the spacer element because it's so flexible. Go to the Elements drawer, select the spacer, click, hold and drag, and drop it where you see a line between the two elements. Select it to interact with it, and now you can adjust the height of the spacer by dragging the handle at the bottom. For more control, select the settings, and you can dial in a specific height, as well as choose the values of pixels, viewport height, or M value. In responsive displays like tablets and mobile, select the spacer from the settings, and here you can set the height independently on these displays to make it more suitable when viewing on mobile or tablet devices.